Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, your boy, Darry. Back at it again with another completely unscripted video that's also very long and boring. Today, we're going to be talking about this little puppy here, and I know what you're thinking. There's no dog over here. No, I'm actually talking about this. The MXR carbon copy analog delay pedal. What you just heard me play there, this was working its magic, and I want to really hone in on what this thing can do today. So please join me in this epic banger video about this. But before we get into the video, real quick, I just wanted to say I'm coming out with my new album soon. The dates are around here somewhere, and it's gonna be a banger. It's gonna be fun. I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you listen to it, greatly appreciate it. And yeah, let's get back to the video. Yeah. Okay, so basically how I acquired this, I will say first and foremost, I'm not a pedal guy, alright? I'm a pianist, I'm not a guitarist, and so I don't really, this is my first pedal I've ever got, and just at my local guitar store, chilling, as you do, and I was playing with this pedal, and I was really intrigued. This is a very different, I haven't played many delay pedals, but last I checked, I don't think they have this crazy modulation button. And I want to really get into that later on, but this pedal is just a really cool pedal, and it really spoke to me. And I thought about buying it for months, and I didn't. Until last Thursday or whatever. I just purchased it, picked it up. I made the plunge, and I have no regrets. I absolutely love this pedal. It is a great pedal. So yeah, obviously it's a delay pedal. It delays things. And basically just the regular, the normal function of it is this, I think, is the speed of the delay. If you turn that. This is a regeneration, or as I like to call it, feedback, because if you do this, it kind of does that. And then the mix is kind of how long it lasts. But yeah. So those are kind of the main functions, and then, as I was saying, there's this mod button. Whew. Basically, the modulation button, I think it's supposed to emulate a tape delay, I think. So it's almost like a delay and a chorus effect. Beautiful. That sounds like a dream. No cap, straight up. That's a dream. I love it. Yeah, it's a great pedal. I just kind of want to show me play it a little bit. Give you some nice little demos. It's going to be fun. I'm just going to plug in my guitar as well. Show you that. So let's do that. Come join me as I just put you to sleep with these beautiful sounds. Bye. Now let's plug it into the guitar. Shall we? Okay, let's do that. Here is the pedal, or here's the guitar without the pedal. Sorry, the guitar's a little out of tune. Here's the guitar with the pedal. Enjoy. So yeah, I'm gonna do that with the Rhodes now. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Here's the Rhodes without the pedal. And here it is with the pedal. Yeah. Also want to say, this is a Fender Rhodes Mark 1 1972, 75 keys. Great piano. It's vintage, which if you know me, I love vintage stuff. So, yeah, I love this keyboard. It's a great keyboard. Sounds like a dream. Anyways, yeah. So, just a short little video demoing this beautiful pedal. I love this pedal. It's a great pedal. If you're looking to start investing in some pedals, I would recommend in this one, even if you don't play guitar and maybe you play piano, or I mean honestly even bass too. It probably sound pretty cool. But yeah, I'd recommend purchasing this. It's a worthy purchase. Yeah, it's a cool pedal. And I definitely am gonna start building up my pedal collection more. And you should too, because pedals are actually pretty cool. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. let me know down in the comments below what my next video should be about, if you guys are into that kind of thing. I don't know. Like and subscribe, I guess. It's been fun. It's been real. And I hope you have a great day.